The goal of our research is to improve cancer treatment. We want to look for some of the new pathways cancer cells are relying on to survive. So if cancer cells are trying to utilizing some of the unique pathways to survive, if we can target these unique pathways, it would not damage your normal cells that lot, but it will kill cancer cells more specifically. So we started to look at the cancer biology, a lot of molecular pathways, so ongoing in cancer cells. So there we started to focus on transcription dependency of cancer cells to survive. So that's a very interesting fact that cancer cells are dealing with this high-level DNA damage, highly transcribed, and when normal cells are having these issues, we cannot survive, but cancer cells are managed to survive. So they utilize the mechanism called RNA-dependent DNA repair. So we discovered this pathway, and now we're trying to target this pathway to kill cancer cells more specifically. We are developing small molecule compounds and protect to specifically inhibit the pathway we call RNA-dependent DNA repair pathway. We really discovered the function of mRNA and mRNA modifications in promoting cancer cell survival specifically. So we're trying to target enzymes that are critical in this pathway. So we work with a lot of chemists to screen small molecule compounds and synthesize protect to inhibit this pathway to kill cancer cells. We have the basic biology, and we also have a cellular platform that we created to keep us being able to screen so new molecules, new inhibitors continuously. It's just not only one target, not only one drug. So we have a full set of platform that enables us to keep improving it, to make it better and better. It's a complicated teamwork, and I really appreciate what Harrington Discovery Institute did. It's like the know where you are and the assign the expertise for you for the part that will be helpful for the next stage. Not a lot of grants or institutions are doing or supporting the drug discovery in this way. I think this is just terrific.